Hi everyone, today we have very special cantaloupe smoothie. This is very healthy because we are adding many healthy stuff and ingredients inside this smoothie. At the first step, we wash the cantaloupe very well and remove all seeds and use the half of the cantaloupe in our blender and add 1 cup water and combine them and just make the base for our ingredients. So in this situation, just I want to tell you, this video has 2 parts. Part A actually is only how to make the smoothie, and the part B would be about the health benefits. For example, this smoothie, how can help you for avoid many problems or fixing some problems in your body or avoiding some sickness and illness. So it is very healthy stuff. If you follow this recipe and continually use something similar, that would be very healthy for your body. Okay, after we mix it, in the first step we add sesame seed, flax seed, and the amount of them I put in description and in the video as well. So raw almond we are adding here, and chia seeds. All our stuff are raw. Hemp seeds is very healthy, and sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. You can see how healthy stuff we are adding together here. Maca powder, which is very healthy as well, and chlorella powder, which is superfood itself only. Just I'm telling you, it is superfood when we add this stuff together in one food or when we eat every day. So how would be healthy? So after combining together very well, our smoothie almost would be ready. We add little bit ginger powder, or if you have fresh ginger, you have to add in the first step. And the other half of the cantaloupe we add here and mix them, and if you want we can add some ice, and our smoothie is ready. So I want to appreciate it because you are watching my video, and I really appreciate if you can subscribe my channel. It doesn't have any cost for you, but it is really supportive for me, and it is very helpful. So please leave comment and like my videos and subscribe my channel, which in this way you can support me. So we will go for the next part for health benefits, and you will surprise how much health benefits has this smoothie. You will surprise, it is very special. Okay, this the part B. We are going to talk about the health benefits. Actually, I want to surprise you. You will really surprise. Just this smoothie, how can affect in your health? You will surprise, because everything you need you can find in this smoothie: fiber, protein, fat, carbohydrates, antioxidants including omega-3, omega-6, vitamin E, vitamin C, and vitamin A, minerals including manganese, magnesium, copper, iron, phosphorus, zinc, selenium, calcium, And B vitamins, including thiamine or B1, riboflavin or B2, niacin or B3, vitamin B6, folate or B9. Also, this smoothie can assist with blood sugar control and helps lower blood pressure levels, which are very common problems in entire world for many people, and many people are losing their lives because of these two problems. So you can see how is important. And also reducing bad cholesterol or LDL or and triglycerides, and also maintain a good cholesterol, which is HDL. We can say HDL as a angel for our body and for us, and LDL would be similar to devil for us. Reduces our hunger, which means we eat less unhealthy food and less calories. So finally it helps us for weight loss, which is many people have this problem for entire world as well. And also the other benefit of this smoothie is supports healthy bones, and it can increase bone density and strength. And many people have problem with their bones entire world, so it is very common problems in many different ages, but mostly over 40 years old. Another important thing is anti-inflammation. You can see it is very, very, very important for your health. So inflammation is cause of many problems, and many pains and related, and actually makes problem for your joints, and you will have a lots of pains if you have this problem. So this smoothie can support you against inflammation. The other benefit is boosting your immune system, which is another important benefit. And you have to look after yourself always against any problem, any illness, and any virus, microbe. So immune system can help you about that. The other benefit is hormone balance, which this smoothie can help you for hormone balance, because the nutrition and the ingredients inside the smoothie. So you can see a lots of information here, and later you can check pay slide by slide my video and check all information in details. The other benefit is improving thyroid function and metabolism, which is very important for our health as well. Here you can see our scientific information, which is talking about factors that affect thyroid function. So you can see all information in details, scientific information in details, and later you can come back in this point and watch and go in details. And also can assist with lower anxiety and mental health, which is another important health issue for our human. So we have to look after ourselves mentally and physically. Also can improve mental focus, memory, and cognitive health, which is another important thing. And in this point you can come back always and check scientific information, which here showing in this slide areas of cognitive brain function. And also can improve fertility in men and women, which can support families and having babies. So it is very important for young generations. And also can increase libido and sexual function in men and women. The other function which is very important for men over 40 years old is prostate function. So this smoothie regarding the ingredients can improve prostate function in men, and it is really important health issue for men over 40 years old. Potential anti-cancer properties which this type of smoothies and ingredients can support against cancer cells in our body. So it is very important for us as well. Also, it helps for lower heavy metals, and we can see lots of toxins in our foods which we consume daily in our daily food. So if we try to have this healthy smoothie, it would be support us to reduce our heavy metals in our bodies. In addition, we can say regarding the research, these ingredients reduces heart diseases risk factors, which is very important for our health. And finally, it can boost athletic performance in our body, which we need to have exercise and happy and healthy lifestyle. Also, just I want to remind you, your food, your nutrition always is important, and your nutrition makes your body. So if you eat healthy stuff, you will be healthy. And this smoothie is very healthy regarding the ingredients. And just I want to appreciate because of watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like and leave comments as well. It doesn't have any cost for you, but it is really supportive for me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.